Good morning everyone. It is actually the last weekend before Halloween and I am doing a proper autumnal day out, so I'm going to vlog it. I'm just literally finishing off my makeup as we speak. I'm actually really bad at vlogs because I forget to turn on the camera, so it is like 9:30 AM and so far I'm doing quite well as the camera's on and it's early. I actually don't have a vlog camera. I've just got my DSLR, which is obviously this size, and it's far too big to like take out with me. I want to do like some come shop with me and stuff, but I can't take this camera, so at the moment I'm vlogging on my phone. I don't know how that's going to work out, so we'll see how it goes. That is another reason why I don't vlog so much. Today I'm actually going to a pumpkin patch with my friend Daniela, who you see on here all the time. It's Sunday and I'm hopefully going to get this up tomorrow evening, possibly. I think that's probably quite achievable. I'm really looking forward to it. I've not actually been to a pumpkin patch before. Actually, so then I want to carve the pumpkin tonight, so I'll try and vlog that as well. That sounds quite fun. My room is completely different from the last time you were in here. I'll actually do like a new room tour when I get it finished. I need to do my nails. Actually I'm going to unbox something that I got in the mail, which was so exciting. I got in the mail like a Pixie set, which was absolutely amazing. Like I thought that was the best PR delivery so far. By the way, this is my clothes set out behind me, that's why it looks a mess. And then the other day I got this delivery from Movement. Like, it's far too exciting. The packaging is stunning. Look at the packaging, it's gorgeous. See, my phone's like not happy with the light, like it's not as good as a camera. So it comes like this with all your information inside, and then this watch is inside. I'm actually not going to take it out of the packaging just now, but I am wearing it today. So this is the watch. It's so nice. I think it's actually very me, like it's a very me watch. Obviously there was like loads to choose from and I picked that one, and this was so good because I was actually like asked for a new pair of sunglasses for my Christmas. I actually asked for Ray-Bans, but I'm not going to bother now. I've got these. So I wanted something really classic, something that I can wear like all of the time. I don't want them to be like high fashion and then I act like I can't wear them in a few months, but that's them on. Quite nice, eh? Just classic, I like them. It did say grey and rose gold. I guess they're kind of just off black and rose gold. So that was pretty exciting. So thank you so much, Movement. I'm actually going to go dry my hair and then get my clothes on, and I'm going to head straight to Daniela's. I'm actually just going to stick on some nails there. So I'm going to go and get to Daniela's and we'll reconvene either there or at the pumpkin patch. I'm actually so excited. I'm going to one that's just half an hour away. I just can't remember the...
Okay. How cute is this pumpkin?
Just wanted that one specifically.
I'm buying this. This is perfect.
You need to get a wee thing to put it in.
Look.
We'll drag it along.
Oh yes. Let's see. I love it.
and we're back from our pumpkin picking trip, and it was so much fun. I have literally so many videos. We went a bit crazy with the videos, which is so much fun. And then we went to a cute little cafe down the road for coffee, which you've already seen. I want to do a quick OTG. So down here we have my little boots that I literally always wear. Look at the state of them. The pumpkin patch was so muddy. These wet look jeans, they are the proper jeans. They do have pockets and stuff, which I do like. I think they're more flattering like on the bum. They are from New Look. They are less flattering on the legs. I've got like little piglet legs with these. They're actually new. The old ones from New Look didn't do that. This jumper's from Miss Pap and it is so adorable. The only thing is like can you see all that makeup on there? Like, it's so annoying, obviously because it is hitting my chin and stuff. My lipstick's like completely off. I put on these nails from Primark. They were £1, and I did have on my camel coat just to keep me cozy. And I think I'm actually going to make this vlog over 2 days because we're going to get some food and then I think we're just going to chill out and not do much. And tomorrow after work I'll go to carve the pumpkin, so I'll probably just vlog tomorrow actually. I'll take you at the gym. I look half decent. Usually I go to the gym looking like a bum. And I'll maybe just take you through what I'm doing tomorrow, and then tomorrow evening pumpkin carving, and I'll get it up the next day. So yes, I shall be checking in with you soon. I'll just quickly show you my coat before I go back out. I'm going to go out and get some food. This was from Boohoo and it is part of their petite range. And I completely forgot to show you my pumpkin, so I got a pretty good one. This was like a medium and it was only $4.50, so that is the one I picked. We'll be carving that tomorrow. Good morning all. This is going to be short and sweet because there's traffic on the road and I'm in a rush. I'm late as always. I need to throw my hair up, put my hoodie on and get going. Got my Fitbit on. I'm going to the gym. I'm going to, I'll just show you my outfit. It is freezing, so I don't even know why I'm wearing short trousers. I'm going to go and do MetaFit and then a core workout. So yeah, I probably won't take you in there because I think it'll be too busy. But I'll see you tonight for the pumpkin carving. He has some eyes and nose. Oops.